right, today we're going to be making egg bites in the Instant Pot. We got some cheddar, some onion dip, eggs, vegetable oil, vegetable cream cheese, regular cream cheese. We're going to make some bacon, and we'll probably add a little bit of milk. Start with our bacon. Now we're going to cook that. All right, now we're going to cook up the bacon. Bacon's getting there. Check that bacon. That looks good. Transfer it over here. Probably get away with using bacon bits with this, but I have the bacon, so I figure what the hell. Okay, now we're gonna mix our eggs, cream cheese, and that onion dip, and a little bit of milk, and blend it. Reserve this for later. Okay, let's get our ingredients going. We'll start with our eggs. We'll be doing a double batch of these. 14 egg bites, calls for 8 eggs. Okay, let's start with our onion dip. It's better to have all this at room temperature. I'll post a link for the onion dip recipe. I think it's onion, mayo, and cheese. Okay, we have our cream cheese and our vegetable cream cheese. That goes in. A little bit of milk. And we're going to whisk this. Now, to ensure it's smooth, I'm probably going to put it in the magic bullet and just pulse it a little bit. Okay, now we're going to move on to the magic bullet and pulse a little bit of this. A little high. I don't want to incorporate too much air into it. Pop it on there. Power on. Give a little pulse. I think that should be good. Get that out of the way. Put this back in our bowl. It's almost like eggnog. We're gonna incorporate our other ingredients. A lot of folks will put the bacon in first and put the egg in. So we'll start with our bacon and a handful of cheddar cheese. Set that aside. Now we're gonna spray our silicone egg bite molds. Do our molds. And then we fill. I'm messy. I think they tell you to fill these up 3/4 of the way. I sure did make a mess, didn't I? I think I might have overfilled these, but my first time. We'll see. Okay, now we're going to put them on our handy dandy trivet. And then we'll have to make sure that these are all set. I don't like that. Oh well. We'll see what happens. And we do our little clip here. I told you I didn't like that. Back to what we're doing. We put that on there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put a lid on this one. There. And lay that on top. Ain't taking any chances this time. So that's what we got. We're going to clip that up. Now I'm going to take you guys over to the Instant Pot. Alright, now we're going to dump the eggs in. First we're going to add some water. 1.5 cups. And then we're going to drop our egg trivet in. Okay, now we're going to pop that in. Pop our lid back on. Okay, a lot of recipes call for using the high pressure cooker, and some recipes call for using the high pressure setting, and other recipes call for steam. I'm going to try steam for 10 minutes and then do 5-minute slow release, and then finish the release. Do a 5-minute. I'll do a 5-minute natural release, and then release the rest of the pressure before I open it up, and then release the rest of the pressure. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. All right, so let's do this. Cancel. I always say cancel first. Steam. I guess high. We're gonna scroll down to 10. I guess start. All right, we'll see what happens. Okay, playtime with the leftovers. All right, let's check out what I got over here. Maybe I can do a flip on that. It's like a pancake. We'll see. All right, see what we got. Interesting. Actually pretty good. I didn't add any salt, and I'm glad I didn't, because that recipe had a lot of salt in it. The onion dip. Well, I'm hoping that steam setting works. Of course, it's not under pressure, so we'll see what happens. Okay, it's done. I'm afraid to open it. It's no pressure release, of course. So we'll see. They might be done. We'll give it a couple minutes and then I'll pull them out. All right, let's take them over to our dish. All right. Huh, interesting. Sorry for my hands in the way. So that I don't think this is going to work out. I don't think the ones with these cooked. Yeah, they didn't cook. It's a big fail. It came out pretty good, these. Now they're still a little bit yolky inside. Yeah, see that? Fail. That could be the recipe I used too. It's good. It's like custard. It's like custardy. That one or two things I did wrong. The mix was too thin. Of course, because I did throw all kinds of crap in there. Or I didn't cook it long enough. I may try pressure cooking next time, but they're good. They're really good. Okay, I cheated on my presentation. That's what I got. Full disclosure. They're good though. I think the recipe would have been fine if I didn't add the milk. Everything would have came out pretty good. I probably will do the steam again, but I might do like 12 minutes instead of 10.